Morning students. Today we will start a new lesson of class 8, that is Introduction to Internet. So in this lesson we will learn about Internet, www, that is World Wide Web, web browsers and about search engines. So let's start with Internet. So students, have you observed the word internet? You are using internet in your daily life for different purpose. But what is internet? Let's learn. So, internet. Internet is one of the best technology gifted to mankind. It has brought the entire world closer. Internet stands for International Language Network. Millions of computers connected together through internet. So what is internet? Internet is one of the best technologies gifted to mankind. As you know, after the invention of internet, we using internet in many purposes like online banking, online ticket booking and etc. So and internet has brought the entire world so closer. It stands for international network and millions of computers connected together through internet for sharing for sharing data transfer and electronic communication. So what is www? That is World Wide Web. It is the combination of resources. So www is the combination of resources and the users on the internet. Now we will look the major points about www. The major points of www are that it was invented in 1989 by Tim Berners-Lee. www contains many websites and web pages. So www contains websites and web pages. It has always given with HTML format. It is in HTML format. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So, what I have just told you, it is in HTML format. It means that HTML is the way web pages are created so that any computer can understand and display them. Now the third major point of WW is that it can be accessed through HTTP. What does HTTP means? HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So HTTP is the simple way in which one computer asks the another one for the web pages. Now we will learn about web browsers. So what are web browsers? A browser is a software application that is used to access the World Wide Web, and web browser is mainly used for displaying the images, videos and audio clips. And some of the example of web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer. These are the example of web browser. Now, what are search engines? What are search engines? So, search engines. A search engine is a tool used for searching information. The most popular search engine is Google. A search engine can display text, images, videos, and today we will finish our class here. In the next class, we will learn about cyber crimes and cyber laws.